Hi, baby. Zebra. Hi, Zebra. Are you still looking for a home? I know. We still haven't found one for you, and it's very cold at night. It's alright right now. And there's Tuxedo. And little Jacob, the gray and white. Yeah. And there's Little, back behind Jacob. And the cats are all playing. There are a lot of kittens right now, so they're all running around and playing in the garden and wrestling. I think that's Tommy right there. She's had her surgery, but you can't see her scars well with video. And there's Fatty. Fatty! Fatty. Poochoo, poochoo, poochoo. Oh, and there's Seaver. She's wanting to hog the limelight. She misses being inside. She keeps coming to the window. She likes to come in, but she can't. Hopefully we'll find a home for you, Seaver. Where's Gigs? Is he playing? There's Little. There's Jacob. Everybody's running. There's Gigs. Hi, Gigs. Hi, buddy. You waiting for a home? Yeah, you're a good boy. Oh, they're all running around playing there. And jumping through the boxes and climbing trees. And there's one of their houses that was bought for them. And here's another house that was bought for them through donations through Sampy. And Claire's mom, Pam. And they're all playing. They've all come because they think I have some food right now. Now we'll eat later, guys. Hi, Tuxedo. Hi, Odessa. Odessa's the little black one. And there's Jerry's look-alike, the white with gray in the back. And there's little mini Jacob. Jacob and Odessa are Tuxedo's kids. I think she's kind of weaned them by now. And there's Schmeichel. He likes to sleep on my porch. Oh, Seaver's bumping into the camera. Schmeichel ran off. Hi, Tuxedo. We need to get you spayed. Yes, we do. So you don't have any more babies and you can relax. Yeah. Who else is here? What are you doing, Fatty? Fatty! Hi! Oh, Seaver wants more attention. Alright. Alright. And then there's Jerry. Hi, Jerry. Yeah, you get yourself all fixed. Hey, you just got neutered this past week. There's Odessa sneaking up. Yes, Seaver, I love you. I love you. Oh, baby girl. It's a baby girl.